morning, girls. I had some requests to show how I style my hair when I wear it curly. This is straight out of the shower. I used, well, not straight out, I put my face on first. I used the Pureology smoothing shampoo in the pink bottle, and I used the macadamia oil hair mask in the tube. And I have a wide tooth comb in the shower, and I combed it all through my hair, combed my hair out. And I also put the trauma treatment, the Lonza trauma treatment in the end of my hair. Anyway, I stood under the shower while the conditioner was rinsing out and combed through my hair. And I have not put my finger, I wrapped it up in this blue towel. It's a water absorbing towel. It's a different shape than the Aquas. The Aquas is too long. Anyway, I don't like it. I like that one better. Anyway, and then and as I was getting out of the shower, I squeezed my hair like this. I did not shake it or anything. Just squeezed it out just like this. And this is how much it dried while I put my face on. Now I'm going to use this product. It is the Redken Diamond Oil Glow Dry, and it's also smoothing. This is how much product I squeezed out. I'll take my rings off. I hate to get sticky hair product all in between my fingers and my rings. All right. I'm not running my fingers through my hair because I don't want to break up the curls. That's what makes it fuzzy, right? So I just did stick my finger. But anyway, stick your fingers in your hair as little as possible. All right. All right, this is my Dyson. I'm going to take the blow nozzle off and put it, this is the diffuser that comes with it. I'm going to put it on warm. I'm turning the heat all the way up on 3. I don't know if you can see that. And the air down low. Because I want it dry. It feels, my hair, this heat feels too hot. So I'm going to turn it down a notch. Letting your hair dry most of the way on its own is the best thing. And not running your fingers through it. Or combing it or brushing it. When you start breaking up the curls is when it starts getting frizzy. Alright, I'm going to go upside down. Here, I'll stand up. I want height in the back of my head. I'm going to turn the heat down a little more. As my hair gets drier and drier, I use less heat. getting big and full, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to wear my hair from probably to this side. So I'm going to dry it this way. Alright, I still feel a little dampness left in my hair, but that's okay. I'm going to stop doing that, so I'm going to stop diffusing it so I don't go to the frizzy place. I have this Living Proof Fresh Cut Split Ends. I'm going to take a little dibby dab of that. Oh. It's a pea size. And put that on my ends so they won't look fuzzy. All right. So this is, you can stop at this point if you want to. And this can be your do. But I don't like looking like this. So this is what I do next. I take a curling wand about this size. I don't know what this is. Is that an inch? This is my Bellamy curling wand. It's a 6-in-1. I have 6 different sizes. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, mostly in the front, pieces where it's not defined and it's a little, or if I want it a little looser. So let's start here. You can use it to either smooth if you have a curl that's looking frizzy. You can, oh, Mikey, I don't like the way that looks. We'll come back to that. Here, I'll hold it tight. I'll hold it tight so that, ugh. All right, see, this looks a little frizzy right here. Nothing that looks good is just wash and go, you know what I mean? That's a fantasy. If you have a wash and go hairstyle, you are true, and you like the way you look, then that's awesome. I've never had a wash and go look where I could just hop out of the shower and run some product through my hair and go. I've always had, maybe I did when I was a baby. I've always had time intense. See how that defined that? And I just lay it down. I think I'm gonna that was what I did wrong with these pieces in the front. They gotta go away from your face. Otherwise you look like a dingbat. I may look like a dingbat anyway, but at least I strove. Oh, there's the telephone. I strove to not look like a dingbat. If it's important to leave a message, right? Most of the time it's one of those big call rooms. You can hear all the voices in the background. And they're trying to sell me something I don't give a shit about. Yeah, or, you know, health insurance for the inevitability that I get something terminal. If I get something terminal, I don't give a shit, right? Let y'all sort the doctor bills out after I'm gone. All right, there's another. So this is still easier than blowing it out and putting a wave in it, right? So you just go through and touch up the gnarly ones. All right. It's still acting a little stupid right there. Oh, they left a message. I heard it. I'll check you back on the flip side. I'm going to go see what that message was. Curiosity killed the cat, right? Everything's all... It is so warm outside. I want to tell y'all this though. So this is fabulous. It is so warm outside today that I could walk out in my t-shirt and underwear and bare feet to let the dog go out this morning. Yeah, if the neighbors don't want to see me in my t-shirt and underwear, they shouldn't look. Right? So you just touch up the pieces that you want to touch up. And anytime you get bored and you don't feel like doing it anymore, you just don't do it anymore. You quit. I'll be right back. So after you've touched up all the curls that you think need touching up, which way do you twist it? I try to go in the direction of the curl, the way that it is twisting. All right, so after you've touched up all the curls you want to touch up, I like to make sure that it's full in the crown. So I take just whatever beach spray I have. This one is the Mai Tai Spritzer from, and I pick it up in a chunk. See, I'm gently picking it up. I gently scrub in the scalp. All right, and that's it. And as the days go on, see, there's one right there. That might need a little work. So I just, the days go on, it mats together, and I hit the humidity, the curls tighten up. And if during the night I got some of it fuzzy from sleeping on it, I just touch those curls up. Okay, one more time. That's Tucka, you hear tap, tap, tapping on the new floors. All right, and this is the back. And that's how I do my curly hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and leave a message in the comments. Leave a message in the comments and let me know what you want to see next. Do you want to see a more wearable purple look, or do you want to see this look? Hope you have a great day. Weekend's on its way. This is Thursday. Woo woo!